Now, still in football, Tusker FC will hunt for their first win of the season as they take on Talanta this weekend in the FKF Premier League. Tusker will seek to get their season going after disappointing results in their first fixtures of the season.
Tumekuwa tumeconcede sana. So makoches wamekuwa wakizingatia sana tuangalie venye tunaweza defend. So kwa hizi games zingine tumekuwa tumeconcede sana. So ndo tumewakia sana. So mimi Kenya naweza omba tu na wachezaji wangu venye tumekuwa tumefanya preparation na kulingana na makoches. So we are going to see how we can stop being concede goals.
We had several injuries, and the boys that were injured have now started coming back, so that is very positive for us. And for the team in general, the team is in good shape. We have identified the areas that we had to improve, and we keep going because every day we build on something that was not working well on our side.
To rugby now, Impala Floodlit Rugby Tournament defending champions KCB will gun to kick off their campaign on a winning note when they face Kenyatta University's Black Blood in the opening fixture.